What is the meaning of the word bridge? Bridge is a link or connection between two objects, usually placed either side of an obstacle, such as a river, chasm, or estuary. What are the benefits of bridges? Some of the benefits of bridges are obvious. Supplies of food in a trade goods can get across an obstacle or through difficult terrain in a shorter time. Today, bridges allow easy travel across major rivers and estuaries, over the new obstacles of motorways and railway lanes in between neighboring islands. International trade and travel depend on shipping and air routes, but efficient distribution networks depend on bridges. We will begin by looking at the three categories of bridge design that solve the problem of carrying a load across a gap. The beam bridge consists of a horizontal beam supported at each end by piers. The weight of the beam pushes straight down on the piers. The farther apart its piers, the weaker the beam becomes. Forces. When some time pushes down on the beam bends. Its top edges push together and its bottom edges push apart. To create beams that have the effect of being very deep but don't weigh much, ingenious 19th century bridge designers in the United States added supporting latticework or a truss to the bridge's beam. The truss bridge consists of an ensemble of triangles. Truss bridges are commonly made from a series of straight steel bars. The first of four bridges is Scotland is a cantilevered bridge, a complex version of the truss bridge. Rigid arms extend from both sides of two piers, diagonal steel tubes projecting from the top and bottom of each pier, all the arms in place. Forces. Every bar in this cantilever bridge experiences either a pushing or pulling force. The bars rarely bend. This is why cantilever bridges can span further than beam bridges. Arch bridge. The arch is really a beam curved to form a semicircular shape, which is prevented from straining and spreading sideways by strong abutments at either end. The traditional shape of the arch is made from a series of logs carefully cut to fit together perfectly. Forces. The arch is squeezed together, and this squeezing force is carried outward along the curve to the support at each end. The supports, called abutments, push back on the arch and prevent the ends of the arch from spreading apart. The Romans used the concept of a stone arch for a huge range of building applications, from doorways to vaulted roofs and from bridges to caesures. Suspension bridge. A suspension bridge is one where the road deck is suspended from cables that are strung across the river or wherever the obstacle happens to be. There is no supporting in the center of the span, and the deck hangs below the supports rather than resting above them. Forces. In all suspension bridges, the roadway hangs from massive steel cables, which are driven over two towers and secured into solid concrete blocks called acroches on both ends of the bridge. The cars push down off the roadway, but because the roadway is suspended, the cables transfer the load into compression in the two towers. The two towers support most of the bridge's weight.